Welcome guys, today I will show you how to take smart notes using Motorola AI app on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the wall apps list and find Moto AI app. Here move down and choose Pay Attention button. Now record something you want to save. Also, you can add some commands to AI. So I will show you. I need to buy 2 bottles of milks, 3 packs of bread and 2 chocolates. Oh no, I need 1 bottle of milk, 1 pack of bread and 1 chocolate. So please create a bulleted list and save it. That's it. Wait for a while until it will be saved. Alright. Where you can find this list? Simply open the wall apps list, go to the Notes app, Motorola Notes app. Then in the Notes section you will see the chapter. Tap on it, find your audio, and here we are, our recorded text and also summary. The user needs a shopping list, 1 bottle of milk, 1 pack of bread and 1 chocolate. AI correct us and give us a result that we want. So a really nice feature to take smart, fast notes using your voice. So if this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.